I asked ChatGPT.
Okay. In short, Newton is the father of mathematics, the father of calculus, and the father of physics.
Yeah.
So that says much about Newton.
I know him.
Oh.
The father of mathematical physics. You say that.
When you're gonna get us killed, you're gonna get us arrested. You're Newton.
Yeah.
I want to understand why you call yourself Newton. Those are big names, my brother. So you can't just call yourself Newton. Like, tell us what's happening.
Yeah.
Why you came with that name? Why you call yourself Newton?
Newton, man, is a curious person, man. You know, Newton is a person who's like, you know, solve problems, man. You know, independently. So everything, like I can say in physics or a lot of things that are built on Newton's work, man.
True.
You know.
Yeah.
A lot of things are built on Newton's
It's the
work.
foundation of almost everything, especially on physics.
Yeah. So.
We'll talk about physics now. Yeah, I get that part. Solve the problem. I get that one. Yeah, you solve the problem also with the F. Yeah, that one makes sense.
Okay.
So who's the father of calculus?
Father of calculus.
Yeah.
I said that.
No, you didn't say that. You said what?
Father of this guy.
That's the goal. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, you know.
So if this thing works out, will you go and work?
Why? You are saying it work out.
No, I'm getting you are saying that you advise people to go to work, right? Instead of like doing things independently. So my shit is, if someone's gonna watch this podcast, right? Yeah. And then they'll be listening to you saying that they should work. But my shit is, why are you advising people to go to work if
that's
they
wanna? Part.
I'm saying
I understand it's guaranteed. Yeah. So I'm asking him which one does he want to do, and then he said if this works out, he'll go this way, right?
Yeah.
And then me watching the podcast, I'll be like, I wanna be like him, right? I wanna be like him. So does that mean I should be working independently and individually?
Okay, I get what you are saying. So what I'm basically saying is that.
Okay, let me just put it here.
Yo, what up? What's good? Bam, it's your boy Scott from the Boycott SEOTT from 1246 Got the Vibes. We're back again with another episode. Vibescape Origin Podcast. VSOP the government. When the topic is off, Topi. Alright, back out. We have people, we have thousand people in the back, but it's quiet. VSOP the government. When the topic is off,
Topi.
Yes. We have a special guest vandaag, operator. Operator.
Sure.
Operator.
Nah, but then why are you using that word, my brother?
Operating system, blah blah blah.
Oh,
operator. I'm gonna let these people introduce themselves.
Yeah.
Shut
up. Go first. But people tell me, why should I introduce myself every time, my brother?
I also introduce myself every time.
Okay. My boy. Okay, my name is NATHI.
My boy.
Okay, by the way, my name is NATHI. My name is NATHI. Do you love that? NATHI Nas NYC. Yeah, thank God.
Okay, it's your boy. So I go as Newton. Some of you know why I call myself Newton. The founder of Student Hub here. Shout out.
Newton. Newton. Why Newton, my brother? that name has a weight. Why Newton?
The name explains itself, man. That is not behind Newton, man. You know Newton.
Newton, yeah. It means you're smart. You're that guy.
What does it mean? I don't know.
You don't know. Yeah, that is okay. My brother is not
Newton. I love it.
Okay, basically, it's Isaac Newton's, right? Yeah, you came there, right? So say Isaac Newton's like the guy who came with forces and whatsoever. Like I know my brother not from science stuff, so you're not gonna get it. So that's why you kind of lost.
I'm even more lost when you try to explain it.
So, but then you can explain. I think you can
explain what?
Like why Newton's and
I'll ask ChatGPT.
Because my brother is lost.
Yeah.
I'll ask ChatGPT.
Okay. In short, Newton is the father of mathematics, the father of calculus, and the father of physics.
Yeah.
So that says much about Newton.
I know him. The father of mathematical physics. You say that.
When you're gonna get us killed, bro. You're gonna get us arrested, bro.
Blah blah blah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Now you see your app though. Pretty good stuff.
Yeah.
Obviously most people are using it. I checked there was it 500 plus.
Yeah, so we're talking about the app, the founder of Student Hub here, the app that helps students to buy and sell on campus easily, and then yeah, man, that's yeah,
easy. Unlike those groups, do you know those groups when you wanna order? You, my 2,000 messages, 2,000, 3,000.
About DM for price.
Ish. Now that app is bright. It's really easy to shop an order and stuff. How did you come with an idea? When did you create that app?
The app has been like under development for a bit of a long time, but it actually get into place last year around November. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the idea or the app, something like 2024, yeah, somewhere there.
Damn.
You know what I'm
So,
saying?
okay, since the app was still under development, stuff like that. So you're the one who created the app,
Yeah.
and were you alone doing that app, like, or you have your own team, stuff like that?
Obviously, man, I was alone, but obviously I was getting some help from my bro.
Oh,
You know him as the father of calculus.
Hey, you guys are giving yourself these big names.
We
Hey,
end them. We
What
end
is
those
it?
names, man. They know us. We end those names, man. You just don't.
You can't just call yourself that name. Yeah.
You know. You wanna know, in short, how we end those names?
Like, tell us what's it?
Yeah, let me not talk about myself a bit and talk about the father of
This is your time,
calculus.
my brother.
No,
Talk
I'm
about
talking
the
about the father of calculus. Now they will talk about me.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
But I want to understand why you call yourself the father of what you said. The father of
Newton.
you're Newton.
Yeah.
I want to understand why you call yourself Newton. Those are big names, my brother. So you can't just call yourself Newton. Like, tell us what's happening.
Yeah.
Why you came with that name? Why you call yourself Newton?
Newton, man, is a curious person, man. You know, Newton is a person who's like, solve problems, man. Independently. So everything, like I can say in physics or a lot of things that are built on Newton's work, man.
True.
Yeah, a lot of things are built on
It's
Newton's
the
work.
foundation
Man.
of almost
Yeah.
everything, especially on physics.
Yeah, so
We'll talk about physics now. Me, I get that part. Solve the problem. I get that one. You did solve the problem also with the apps. Yeah, that one makes sense.
Okay.
So who's the father of calculus?
Father of calculus.
yeah.
I said that.
Now you didn't say that. You said what?
Father of this guy. Who is it?
Yeah.
It's
One of your bros, right?
it's one of my brother, man. In short, to explain him in one line, he got 100% in calculus, module mark, not exam, not test. 100% module mark. So
Which year?
that's enough to
Which year?
now or
Like that time he was getting that.
it was first year.
It was first year.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
Hey,
so
shout out to
we
them.
can move to that and get to yeah.
So you're doing the same course as father of calculus, I think. How much did you get for calculus?
Me.
That's a very good question.
Now I'm getting good marks though. I'm getting good marks. My people have. I'm not saying I'm getting like 100% stuff like that, but I'm aiming for that. Yeah, but for now I'm getting good marks. Yeah, sure. Not bad. I'm not bad.
That's something. Tizamyana 1, 2 club.
I
Well,
did,
identify Newton's law.
Newton's is the father of solve the problem.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
Newton's law.
But then to be honest, I thought I was a genius.
Yeah.
Up until I came here, then I saw people. I saw young genius now. People,
down.
people are really smart out there. I don't wanna lie to you. So yeah, I thought I was a genius. Yeah, my plan. Hey, now I met the father of what here. Hey, it's going down for
That's why
real.
you're studying hard, boy.
Yeah, and then you
22
come.
hours a day, yeah. Wow.
I study my brother. So yeah.
But
And
listen,
I-
who will help you?
at least I found my people. That is why, yeah, when I this podcast thing, it helps me.
Yeah, it connects you.
It connects.
Exactly. Now you'll be able to create that app you wanted to create. You wanted to create an app.
Yeah,
also.
also I wanted to create an app since but then we'll talk about that after me. Yeah, because yeah, I need some advices on the or stuff like that. But
no worry.
yeah,
You'll get there, boy.
I might have to.
I trust you.
I might have to though.
I believe you.
So what is your help like solving like solver in?
Yeah, no.
What is it helping with, like especially here in school? Like,
Yeah,
tell us more about your app, Marwan.
So that's a good question. So my app, obviously, most of people already know that it solved the problem of a lot of scattered messages in the group, a lot of messages piling up every day in the WhatsApp groups. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, difficult to find what you are looking for, having to ask or who's selling 1, 2, 3. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So my app solved that with the search system inside. You just search whatever you want, and then it's gonna pop up from student around you. You get what I'm saying? So
that's big.
Yeah.
So
My idea.
so Vele, were you interested in coding and programming like since you were like growing up, stuff like that?
Nah, man, I wasn't. I learned most of the things coming here in university. That's where now I figure out, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, and then
Yeah.
This is what I'm capable of.
When I was growing
So
up, you said you
what
wanted
made you
be a
to
soldier.
like decide to start that app? Be like, yeah, you know what now? I'm that guy now. I wanna start now. You know?
Man, you know that some ideas come from problems, you know. But I can't really like just start by designing something really big like this, you know. I had some small things that I did, like website, and you know, they got me started. You get what I'm saying?
Oh yeah,
And then that's where now we identify a problem. That's why like, okay, if I can solve that one, yeah, we'll be fine, man. You know, you get the idea.
Now I get it. Now it makes
Where you
sense.
from, bro?
I think we have a question.
Where you from?
I have a question. So, for example, right, when you use Bolt and then you're a Bolt driver, there's a certain percentage that people get from a certain app or something, right? Guys, I don't know what to say about this. But then, so for example, if I want to join Bolt, right, and then I log in and register as a driver, you get a certain percentage as the owner of the app, right? And then I'll also get a certain percentage from using that app. So I want to ask you, if I want to sell, how many percentage do you take from the money that I make through your app?
Oh, that's a good question. So basically, student will always get 100% profit to what they are selling. Like if you are selling something to a certain student, you will get that amount, because even now purchases happen outside the app, meaning you get to meet the person exactly how it's been done with WhatsApp groups. You get what I'm saying? And they exchange. So basically, your question in short, it's saying how am I going to, how will the app like generate money from me?
For you,
Yeah, revenue. So the app is going to like generate revenue from things like advertisement, sharing data, certain data to analyze how students behave and stuff like that. Partnering up with businesses and more, man. So yeah.
Okay,
You get what I'm
makes sense.
saying?
So let's say now, my brother, I come to you. Okay, I use your app. So I'm a scammer. So now I want to scam people now. Then I'm using your app. Then obviously, what do you need from me in order for you like to see who's okay? This one is not a scammer. This one is legit, stuff like that. Okay, I'm selling. I'm using your app. So obviously, I use your app to sell whatever that I want to sell to people. So
Like what?
okay, let me see. Okay, usually what they sell, it's like what do they sell?
I want to understand the type of scam you're talking about. Like you
Okay, like-
post the real product, like maybe
Yeah.
something, or you post. I want to get the idea of.
Okay.
I think he means, for example, you can take something from Pinterest, right? And then I put it
Yeah.
on the app, and then I'd be like, I'm selling that certain product, right?
Mhm.
And then maybe if on the app I get certain details, like I'm the seller, and then you get details about me selling that certain thing, Then only to find out that whatever I'm advertising there, it's not
It's not
real.
legit. Yeah, it's not real.
You don't have it. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't
So,
have it. So basically,
I get that.
yeah, the main point was to scam people.
Okay,
Yeah.
so to answer that now, like the app, it's more like piling up on information, like things like review from real purchases, building trust. So when you come with such, for now, we do verify users, but such things are going to like happen outside the app when now you have to like pay the person, because now payment, as I mentioned, you have to meet the person. Especially we recommend obviously meeting on campus, you know, getting to exchange the thing, getting what you want, and then you know that's how it's been done.
Okay, now I can
So
now
is
understand.
it like cash or EFT also?
You like previously like how it works, you get to when you are buying something from a student and then you go meet the student, you get more like cash on delivery, you get what I'm saying?
Okay, now I was confused. Yeah, I
You
get
get what I'm
it.
saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a
Even now you're still
clarification.
doing that.
Yeah, we are still working on that, you know. So yeah, we are growing a bit by bit, improving, and one of the most important like feature that's going to like help student, you know, is that we are planning something like making sure that maybe two students, you know, some sellers don't offer delivery. You get what I'm saying? And then maybe we get to like find a third student
Sure.
that will just operate the delivery with a certain fees, not selling, it's just going to benefit from that delivery.
Delivery.
You know, taking product from student A to student B,
Sure.
Yeah.
and then we verify that student. So you can be a hungry student and be like, let me go to the app and just be a delivery. You know, you get what I'm saying? So that's how we are going to
Like everyone. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
so-
them good.
yeah. You get what I'm
You
saying?
guys, if you still have questions, you can still ask, man. My brother, you can still ask if you have questions.
It's good.
Yeah.
By the way, we have Anthony at the back.
Yeah.
You know him. He's father of us.
Father of camera.
Father
Father of media.
Right. What's up, mister?
No, I'm good. How are you feeling, guys?
Yeah.
Now good. We saw also you supporting the crew like too much. I did know the app name because I could see from the posters around campus.
Yeah.
But then I paid attention to it. Yakumba no speak to us come I think I was going to study.
That's when I started to like notice the app.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I didn't even know.
Show
Yeah.
us
But I
the
saw
post and
the
then I was like,
posts here on campus.
post, yeah.
Yeah.
with the QR code and things. And then I saw from my brother, he post every day this one.
Yeah.
Even on the profile picture.
yeah, it's consistent, man.
Yeah,
It's what
yeah.
we call a team, man. We grow together, man. We win together, man. That's the goal. Growing together, yeah.
That's when I was like, definitely I'm calling this bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, like just to give you guys some input. I think the reason why I'm with him on this is because, you know, a lot of students come from disadvantaged backgrounds, you know.
Yeah.
If you look at things that are happening around our institution, some kids sleep without food in their rooms and whatsoever.
Yeah.
So when a person comes with something that is innovative, you know, I do my best to support them. Why? Because I know that it is actually a black child.
Yeah.
And every day I go to sleep, I just have this thing in mind. It's like a saying to say black child is possible. And we can only be victorious if we support each other. So everyone in this room must understand that as a black child, when a person comes with such an idea, we stay with them. So yeah, that is why I'm with this guy, and I have hope, and we pray every day that this thing becomes successful. Okay, it's already successful.
It's already successful,
We just
yeah.
pray that it becomes more.
And it will, man. See, this is the vision.
Yeah.
So now where do you want it to be after Oma? Any short-term goals or long-term goals? Shit like that. With the app, or do you think you'll still create more apps whatsoever at the moment?
At the moment, we are working on certain, because there are a lot of loopholes that need to be solved. So, but we'll get there. Coming to the app, where do I actually like, you know, more like see the app, you know.
Yeah.
The app, we just want the app to like help students all across South Africa. But later on, we're gonna obviously expand to the other countries, and you know.
Oh,
So,
that's a
but
big goal, yeah.
you know, charity started home. You know.
Sure.
So yeah, you know, that's why now is Mahiken campus is our number one campus with a lot of users. But we are later going to expand to our other universities, and you know, colleges also will consider them. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
I was
it's all
about to ask
about,
you that.
yeah, it's all about, you know, expanding and giving students the best product that they will use, and you know, yeah, and mostly important, I can say I'm relying on their feedback. When students provide feedback, 1, 2, 3, and then we look on their feedback and then give them the best product. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Good idea. So currently you're not like getting money from the app, you're just helping.
Yeah, currently, man, we are working on building and getting a lot of users to the app. Once the app now is stable, everything is going to be easier. Once you advertise, a lot of students can actually view that the post, and you get what I'm saying. So everything will become much easier. So
Marketing state now.
yeah,
Student hub now.
yeah.
Just go to
Yeah, so to get the app, we just download it on either App Store or Play Store. You just search Student Hub Marketing. Yeah,
Download.
it's there.
I do have the app.
download, guys.
It's there.
Student
It's
Hub.
there. You
Yeah,
get to
I
like
do
see,
have
you
the app,
know.
but not on that phone, on my other phone, because like I saw it trending, right? I downloaded it and then I went to check. So like what happened is like I think most people who in the cluster marketing or that have moved to that app. Only a few people don't know about it, but then like it's so interesting.
Pepping, bro. That's really great.
But the man behind it, Nahilum Chitalo.
Yeah,
Bro,
so-
I thought it was done by someone like.
Yeah.
No, what I mean is that I thought it was done by an adult. What I mean is like maybe those big people in the school, like people who are under IT and other things, right? I didn't know it was done by a student. And today, like when you said you're the owner, I was like, damn. I thought it was a joke, but it's not.
This
I was
is big.
also
But like it's so
Yeah.
inspiring. I don't
So
I
wanna.
was also shocked. Like you a student.
I get you. I get you.
My dear, if you're not using the app, then damn. What are you
You're
doing?
missing out. You're missing out.
What are you doing? Because they told you what mission is. But they told you stop us your pen.
Hey.
They can get like you. Basically everything.
But then let's say a student is studying computer sciences. Would you advise them to actually do things independently, practically? So, for instance, develop their own things independently, or go actually into the working environment? Which one would you advise them to go into?
I don't know, most part for everyone is to go to work, So doing something independently is advisable, but some people just choose the guarantee part, going for work, and you get what I'm saying. But yeah, for me, it's all about building something that will generate revenue in future, passive income, any money while sleeping. That's the goal. You get what I'm saying? Yeah,
So if
Freedom.
this thing works out, ne, will you go and work?
Why? You are saying it work out. You
No,
like
I'm
go.
getting you saying that you'd advise people to go to work, right? Instead of like
Yeah.
doing things independently. So my shit is, ne, if someone's gonna watch this podcast, right?
Yeah.
And then they'll be listening to you saying that they should work. But my shit is, why are you advising people
No.
to go to work if
That's
they
the
wanna?
guaranteed part.
I'm saying
And
this.
it's-
I understand this guarantee.
Yeah.
So I'm asking him which one does he want to do, and then he said if this works out, he'll go this way, right?
Yeah.
And then me watching the podcast, ne, I'll be like, I wanna be like him, right? I wanna be like him. So does that mean I should be working independently and individually?
Okay, I get what you are saying. So what I'm basically saying is that, okay, you can choose the part of working, and while you are sustaining yourself, try to do your own thing. So the goal is to like work on something that's on your own also, but that's not what I said. That's not what most people choose. You get what I'm saying? And I don't blame them. So such things come with a lot of risk. You have to take risk to, yeah. For me also, there are a lot of risk that I like took to actually make the thing, successful. Yeah.
You're probably wondering who's the girl talking. Most of you know her. She's famous. You Maracani first year.
Get close to definition of character.
It's Kia. Lamit.
It's your girl here.
Alright. How old are you, bro? If you don't mind me asking.
My age.
But real.
Yeah.
Okay, if you can't disclose your exact age, like the range. If you can't disclose your exact age, range.
Obviously, I'm in my early 20s.
It's
20 to 40.
To keep a big range. Otherwise they'll miss it.
Nah, yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. But then shout out to you, my brother.
You inspire people.
Yeah.
I'm inspired also. I don't want to lie to you.
I can see you now. You're
I
thinking
kept
you want
on-
to create an
you see my
app.
brother. But I've been always like I've been wanting to like create an app for so long.
Yeah.
Like I came here like chose computer science because I want to. I don't want to say this on cameras because man, I'm still on research. Doing my own things, research. Yeah. But then,
Yeah,
this is the part that I want to take at some point.
Yeah.
There's another one also. You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Professor La.
Not professor.
Okay, professor.
Prof.
Yeah.
Guys, disclosing is personal.
I don't want to disclose, man. I'm still working on ish. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
don't
yours is
disclose.
already successful, so my
What I
brother.
can say sometimes is that don't work in private for long. Like
Yeah, I won't
sometimes-
work in private
Yeah.
for long. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. I'm still doing my research. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Sure.
Sometimes you must have something called an MVP. It's a minimum viable product. Basically, you bring something small to the users, or okay, this is what I'm solving, and then from there
Yeah.
you work with them, giving you feedback,
True.
them telling you what like they would like to have. You get what I'm saying? And that's how we are going to like go faster. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Now shout out to you, man. Shout out to you.
Yeah. Shout
We
out.
hope you heard.
I don't know, like how many minutes are we on?
700 billion.
700 people. Our producers, they move.
24.
24.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be a very short
Yeah,
episode.
it's cool.
Oh, unless you guys still have questions because now I'm out.
You.
When it comes to the ads, in terms of revenue, are you gonna give students the opportunity to push their ads? For example, if I want to advertise something, then I can come to you and say, I want to advertise maybe 7 sweets. And then would you charge a fee? You say the revenue will come from ads. So I wanted to ask, will the ads solely be from the students, or is there going to be a mixture? People who are selling students, and people off campus, like people who just want to be a part of Student Hub, even though they may not be students.
I get that. It's gonna be a mixture because there are some businesses targeting student, or okay, this is what we like to advertise to student, maybe courses, bursaries, stuff like that. Looking for students. So if as well you get the idea. So yeah.
So further, do you think you're going to expand into creating other apps that will solve other problems? Or is this just like, for example, a starter? These are just a starter.
We are getting started. There are a lot of apps coming, man. There are a lot of apps coming. Another one that's coming under my profile, it's for my bro. It's called Safe Walk. The founder of Safe Walk is Trust God. It's a graduate from VET. It's more on safety in short, but that's a story for another day.
That's good.
So, and
Shout out to you, bro.
there are a lot, man. There are a lot.
Guys moving with movers and shakers.
You.
That's numbers only.
It's be easy. So if I wanna register, there's a seller. It's also free.
Yeah,
I wanna sell something.
So wait, how do people get you? If I'm interested in creating apps, right? And then I want to feature you in one of my creations, how do people get you?
They get me via my number, or they can send me my an email, at support@studenthub.co.za.
Is your email part of like on the app?
It's part of the app.
Yeah, like can you get your details on the app?
Yeah, you can get my details on the app. You can contact me under the profile there. Yeah.
But don't call the bro for snacks things.
Yeah.
Because they he doesn't want that.
What are the boots for cars?
It's married. It's for cars.
It's
Hack
for
the
cars.
school system, I didn't qualify.
Yeah.
If I want to sell illegal stuff, will it be possible?
No,
Who's got to
obviously.
come?
They will keep me out. It's not better so.
Scots.
There's a funny slash.
What's illegal? You folks.
What's illegal?
A tree. Or it's
Scots,
not
why are you
illegal,
touching
but
yourself?
it is. Huh? A tree. What was?
That won't
Green tea.
happen. That won't happen.
Or it will automatically chase me out.
Nah, we review products. Man.
Oh,
No,
good.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, just
You can close it.
Talk to them. The app.
Yeah, tell them how to use
Oh, wow.
you and how to like use. Mara, you told them how to they use the app. Right?
yeah. Then, yeah, shout out to my viewers and everyone. Yeah, we really appreciate your support, especially my Hacking Campus for a lot of users. Yeah, we are looking forward to give you the best app that will get to get feedback from students and provide,
Yeah, definitely. So far, it's people from here on like this campus.
That's where we are leading.
Okay. Tanto.
And which camp? Can you like see which other facilities
Yeah.
are using the app and which others?
Oh, they do use.
Yeah, they do
Damn.
use, but we are dominating this side.
But
That's
the
what
minutes
I'm
this
saying.
side.
Oh, damn.
Can you list them if you don't mind?
All South African universities are there. with
Serious?
us. So you can
Yes,
count
yes.
them around 26. And
Damn.
Just that it's not yet being like.
Nah,
every
nah, you're going
month
places
you
like
get
that.
it, yeah.
I think we have a question. Do you have a
Yeah, it was going to be with regards to the different campuses and how. I was going to ask if you were planning on expanding, but as you've touched on, it's indirectly being expanded and being.
But most important thing, this we call it a multi-tenancy system, meaning one platform serve all other campuses. You get what I'm saying? So product don't mix. Product from my King campus remain here, and then product from other remain there.
Oh,
Because you
shit.
can't buy bread that you think about that, unless they're going to be some exclusive product that we can make them available in all universities.
So how do you get other students from other universities to see what they is it legit what they is trying to sell? How do you get them? Like how do you see what are they selling is legit or not?
What are they selling is legit or not?
How initially you said here you get to meet the students. Yeah.
No, actually, we have managers in all universities. So basically, you find that in UJ, the people that are in charge of managing the app that side. So meaning if there's something, some shenanigans going on, they'll be the ones to see you see, okay, this is not legit, so we're going to put it off the list.
You have other people that
Damn, bro, he's cooking.
Yeah.
This is the next.
Hey, this guy is cooking. We're sitting with a billionaire.
Hey, bro.
This guy.
Hey, dog, you go crazy.
What's the bonding calls? So fun.
I'll call you info.
I wear glasses, first of all.
Anthony, what are you saying about people wearing glasses?
They pay to see.
I will not say that.
I am.
So she's refusing to see.
Sure, guys, I'm gonna invent Benchaka's glasses.
You should invent things.
Okay, before we close, I want to ask one last question.
Sure.
So,
I'll be flooding this book with questions. Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
so more or less, I think they touched on the words of encouragement for people who are studying computer science.
Yeah.
But as we know, university life is very difficult to adjust to. What would be your message to first years on how to adjust to the campus life, as well as dealing with distractions, and for those who would like to set big goals and make a difference, what would you advise them to do in terms of studying to bringing their ideas to pass?
Okay, that's a good question. The first thing I can say about that is that people around you are very important. So you need to identify your friends or people you spend most of the time with, and then you need to be wise on that, because once you spend time with people who are winners, you automatically become a winner. You get what I'm saying? So for me, I can say I got to be next to someone who is always positive, man. The person will aim for 100%, and he will get it, and automatically you get to adapt or nah, man, this thing is possible. You get what I'm saying? So group yourself with those people. And another thing, you need to be close to lectures, Once you're close to the lectures, you'll be good, man. They will advise you, they will everything will be easier for you. You get what I'm saying? Go consult. Even if you understand, just go consult.
In advising
You
me.
get what I'm saying?
Advising me.
Just go consult and
I don't know.
the lecture will just share something, and split something on the table that will come on the exam. You get what I'm saying? So that's one thing I can say also. Socialize with other people. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's fun. Thank you guys for watching episode span by. Damn, we're far now. We're cooking post.
Yeah, we're far. Episode span by somewhere there.
Damn. Do you have something to say?
I'm out, my brother. Like, I'm inspired. I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
It's going to make
Now
it
it's going to. Yeah, I want to say something. It's going to code now.
I'm going to. You're coder, man.
Iti era.
You must balance at school.
Yeah.
So in closing, I wanna ask,
Sure.
does this app actually cause like some distraction or some disturbance in regards to your academics? Because I mean, for you to come up with an app, it's not a one-day thing.
Nah, true.
So how do you manage that? If it does cause a disturbance, of course.
Okay, so to answer that, I can say the project idea came around 2024. That's when now I even wanted to I need to focus on this project. But yeah, I chose school to make sure that I make sure that school is actually the primary of everything that's happening now. Yeah, the education that comes with school. So it's kind of difficult to balance, but school is very important also at the same time. So yeah.
We're so proud of you, bro.
We're proud as Africans. Yo, what up? So far, it's called Vibescape Origin Podcast VSOP. Yeah, I'm sick. For sure, you can tell. I'm sick. I'm really sick. I'm dying. I'm tired. But I'll be fine. Thank you guys for watching until Nafega. Make sure that you go check Student Hub wherever you are, different university or whatsoever. Thank you.
Get that app for you too.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, shout outs.
Better family.